Which is the best food processor of 2025? Is it the Cuisinart, Ninja, KitchenAid, Davivy, or another brand? In this video, we'll compare the top food processors of the year, looking at features like power, blade quality, versatility, and ease of cleaning. Whether you're prepping for large meals, creating smooth purees, or chopping ingredients with precision, we'll help you find the best food processor to meet your needs. For the best deals and exclusive coupon codes, visit our website at couponoffer.net, where you can buy products and save big. Now let's get started. Number 5. The Davivy 16-Cup Food Processor, your ultimate kitchen helper. This 16-cup capacity processor features a 3.8-liter bowl with a working capacity of up to 3 liters, perfect for large families and big batch cooking. It saves you time on meal prep with ease, and all accessories are removable and dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. With 11-in-1 functionality, the Davivy Food Processor tackles everything from chopping, mincing, and pureeing to slicing, shredding, kneading, juicing, and making sauces. It's an all-in-one solution for making everything from mincemeat, dough, and creamy purees to mashed potatoes, juices, and sauces. And safety is a priority with the dual lock protection feature. The food processor only works if the bowl is securely locked to the base and the top lid is locked to the bowl. The large feed chute also allows you to add ingredients during operation. Plus, it includes an overheating protection function for the motor if it overheats. Simply let it cool for 30 minutes before resuming. With a 600-watt motor and pulse function, this food processor handles meat mincing and dough kneading effortlessly. 2 variable speeds and a pulse function offer easy control to meet all your food prep needs. The set includes a 16-cup bowl and lid, multiple slicers and cutters, a French fries cutter, a 7-cup blender jar, a grinder, a dough blade, and more. This Davivy 16-cup food processor covers all your kitchen needs in one compact and powerful package. You can buy the Davivy Food Processor at its current price of $154 on Amazon. Number 4. We have the FIMEI 12-Cup Food Processor, where convenience meets safety and power in the kitchen. Designed with a triple security lock system that meets CE standards, this food processor ensures operation only when everything is securely in place. You can add ingredients mid-process using the large or small feed chute, but the machine will only operate with the pusher inserted for extra safety. With its 12-cup capacity, this FIMEI processor tackles both large meal prep tasks and smaller batches, like baby food, effortlessly. The expansive feed chute even accommodates whole blocks of food, reducing the need for frequent reloading. Powered by a 600-watt motor, the FIMEI Food Processor delivers impressive, consistent results with its 3-speed control and pulse function. The stylish metallic operation panel and premium control knobs enhance both the functionality and aesthetic of your kitchen. Cleaning is simple. Detachable parts make it easy to rinse or toss into the dishwasher. The BPA-free components ensure safe food prep, while the compact design saves countertop space. A convenient drawstring pocket keeps all the sharp stainless steel blades safely organized during cleaning and drying. The FIMEI 12-Cup Food Processor is ideal for anyone looking for a powerful, easy-to-use, and space-saving kitchen companion. The current price of FIMEI Food Processor is $101 on Amazon. Number 3. The KitchenAid 13-Cup Food Processor, a versatile and efficient all-in-one kitchen essential. This food processor comes with a unique in-bowl storage caddy, keeping all blades and discs neatly organized within the bowl itself for convenient storage. Adjust slicing thickness on the fly with the externally adjustable exact slice disc, offering options from thick to thin with just a turn of the dial. The Snap and Go easy clean work bowl makes setup and cleanup a breeze with its twist-free, one-click bowl assembly and latched lid. Just add warm water and a few drops of dish soap to the leak-resistant bowl, and it's ready to clean both bowl and blades in no time. Cut down on prep time with the 3-in-1 feed tube, which easily handles various ingredient shapes and sizes, from tomatoes and cucumbers to potatoes. This processor can chop, shred, slice, knead, and mix everything from fresh veggies and cheeses to dough, sauces, and salsa. Perfectly sized with a 13-cup capacity, the KitchenAid processor is versatile for any occasion, whether you're making a quick salsa or prepping for a family pizza night. The KitchenAid 13-cup food processor is ready to meet your everyday cooking needs with ease and style. You can buy the KitchenAid Food Processor at its current price of $149 on Amazon. Number 2. The Ninja Food Processor, a powerhouse kitchen companion with a 1200 peak watt motor. This robust food processor effortlessly tackles tough ingredients, delivering peak ninja performance in food processing. It features 4 Auto IQ preset programs that take out the guesswork, letting you easily chop, slice, shred, puree, and mix dough with just the touch of a button. Ninja's blade technology ensures consistent processing and evenly mixed dough, making it ideal for various kitchen tasks. The XL feed chute with a 3-part pusher accommodates all ingredient sizes, reducing prep time and perfect for chopping large vegetables or blocks of cheese. And with the reversible shredding disc, you can switch between fine or coarse shredding to suit your recipes. With a family-sized 12-cup precision processing bowl, this processor is perfect for larger gatherings or prepping meals for the week. Cleanup is hassle-free as all parts, including the bowl, lid, discs, and blades, are dishwasher safe, keeping your processor ready for any task. Swapping out discs and blades is quick and simple, making the Ninja processor user-friendly for every function. Built with durability in mind, this processor is a smart investment for any home cook. The Ninja Food Processor combines strength, convenience, and versatility to make food prep fast and easy. The current price of Ninja Food Processor is $149 on Amazon. Number 1. We have the Cuisinart Food Processor, a 14-cup powerhouse, perfect for every home chef. With a 720-watt motor, this food processor can tackle anything you throw at it, from crafting delicious dips and purees to making soups and sauces like hummus, salsa, and guacamole. The possibilities are truly endless. It features a large 14-cup Lexan bowl and simple on-off and pulse buttons for seamless operation. The extra-large feed tube comes with both large and small pushers, making it easy to load various ingredients. For added convenience, it includes a detachable disc stem for straightforward use and easy cleanup. Inside the box, you'll find a 4mm slicing disc, a medium shredding disc, and a stainless steel chopping shuck mixing blade. Plus, all parts are dishwasher safe, keeping cleanup easy and fast. It's BPA-free, so you can prep your food safely. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is built to last and designed to bring versatility and power to your kitchen. You can buy the Cuisinart Food Processor at its current price of $244 on Amazon. If you enjoy this video, make sure to show your support by quickly liking and subscribing. Also, dive into the description below for links to explore these products further. Thanks for watching.